Yes, and welcome to my channel. This is Abhijit. First, this is an unexpected video because this is Lenovo Tab 7. I am using from 4 months. From that day onwards, this day I am not using any screen guard and body guard. So I finally decided to buy this, and I asked in 10 shops surrounded by me. They told not available like that, and I saw in online stores like Flipkart and Amazon, but finally I got in Flipkart. I ordered screen guard and tempered glass also. Screen guard cost is 300 and tempered glass cost is 200, but now only tempered glass came, screen guard didn't came, guys. So I will unbox this tempered glass nicely packed. So first I will show the features of this tab. This is very bad tab, guys, because only it will use for reading purpose and for online classes, not for any gaming, chatting, daily usage also not useful. So many lags you will occur. So first I will tell these specifications. So guys, when we on the tab, it will come like this, and these are the features, guys. This is Lenovo Tab 7 specifications. Here the display is 7-inch IPS LCD display, guys. 1280 into 720 pixels. Cameras are front 2 megapixel, back 5 megapixel. Audio is front facing speaker with Dolby Atmos, guys. Here you have front facing speaker with Dolby Atmos. And processor is quad-core 64-bit. Storage is, my option is 16 GB plus micro SD card, and memory RAM is 2 GB, and OS is Android Notch. So these are the features of this, guys. Now I will open CPU Z and I will show more features. Here is CPU Z, guys. See, guys, the processor is MediaTek MT6735 1.25 GHz clock speed, and the device name is Lenovo Tab 750 4X. Manufacturing Lenovo. You can see the information here. Out of 16 GB, 9.7 GB, 6.7 27 GB available, guys. When we go to system, Android version 7, guys. You can see some information. Battery. This is 30 degrees Celsius. The temperature is, guys. Thermal, no information. Sensors, you can see accelerometer, light, proximity. These are the informations of this tab, guys. Now I will unbox this CC camera. So let's get started. So guys, this is the package I got from Flipkart. Here you can see the delivery information, to whom the price of this is 216 rupees, guys, but I got for only 200 rupees. 16 rupees discount. And when you open the box, inside you will get 2 cardboard pieces, guys. In that only screen guard will be placed. I opened it, and inside one paper is there, guys. I will see that. This is cleaning wipe, guys. 2 cleaning wipes here, 1 and 2, wet and dirty. And inside one paper is there, guys. Here they gave some information. You only read, guys. I can't read this much they gave. And after that, this is one nice feature, guys. They gave this too, and we can simply cut it and apply on tab. And here you got screen guard. When we open this, nicely it came in one smooth paper, and this is a screen guard, guys, for my tab. See, they gave in paper, screen guard, cleaning wipes, one information, and the box. These are the overall things I got from Flipkart, guys. This is the overall review. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.